in this one I'm going to be installing the genuine Yamaha Quickshifter on my 2016 Yamaha MT10. And you might be thinking, doesn't the MT10 come stock with a Quickshifter? Well, it didn't in 2016 and 2017. It was an additional accessory that you had to purchase. And as you can see, my bike doesn't have the Quickshifter, so let's install it. So the first thing to do is to just loosen off these two nuts on either end of the shift rod. And that will just come off like so. Next thing to do is to remove these Allen head bolts which hold this bracket in place, which is in front of the boot, which holds all the wiring. So the instructions say once you've removed this bracket, take the bolts out and put them back into the sprocket cover, as you won't be needing this bracket anymore because the Quickshifter wiring won't be able to go past the bracket and into the wiring loom underneath this boot. So once you've reinstalled the bolts into the sprocket cover, it's time to pull the boot up to give you access to the wiring loom. So the white one there is the Quickshifter plug. So now what you want to do is grab your Quickshifter mechanism, push the wire up behind the Quickshifter mechanism, and then place on this little plastic snap tie. And now you want to unplug the bung which comes in the factory plug. So once you've got that plastic clip on the back of your Quickshifter, the next thing to do is to get the nut out of the packet. Install the nut on the end of the Quickshifter. So the instructions say the bottom of the nut is to be 27.4mm to the center of the bolt there. It could come down a bit further. And that's pretty close. And now to install the bottom one. Trick is to wind this most of the way up, lift your gear selector till it meets it, and then loosen it down. So the instructions say from the center of the bolt hole underneath the bottom boot and the center of the top bolt underneath that top boot is to be 274mm. I've got it bang on. So now I'm just going to nip these nuts up. So now I just put the boots back on top. And now clip in the Quickshifter. Now install the other plastic retaining clip which come with the kit. And pull the boot down. And Bob's your uncle, that's how easy the install is. Alrighty, so now that's the Quickshifter installed. What I'm going to do is just turn my bike on and program the bike to read the Quickshifter. So now to activate the Quickshifter on the bike, what I need to do is just select into gear, hold it for 12 seconds and turn the ignition on. And as you can see, the Quickshifter icon has popped up on the dash, so it's good to go. Anyway, that's going to do it for this one. Thanks very much for watching, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.